Hello everybody, welcome back to another 3 Minutes of 3.
Today we're talking about time blocks.
So I'm going to give you my secret method to, I get asked all the time, man, how do you and Jessica do it? You guys got to have a crazy, insane schedule. How do you have time for anything else, right? Mm-hmm. And this is essentially my secret for staying on time and being able to keep up with everything, with everything that we have to do. So basically, I set up time blocks throughout my day. There's immovable time blocks, and then there's movable time blocks. And then there's certain days you're just not going to get anything done, and so those are just acceptance time blocks. You're not going to get nothing done, and just any forward movement's a good thing. So the way that you need to set your time blocks is you need good health for yourself. So whatever is, feed, right? You're going to need to eat throughout the day. You're going to need to nourish yourself and replenish yourself with liquids or this or that, especially if you're forging or doing a laborious position. You need to take and have those. You need to have those break times and the times which you could just kind of step away and kind of reevaluate how the day's going. Those are immovable time blocks. Your bedtime, that doesn't need to be a negotiable. If you know that you run best on 10 hours of sleep, then you need to have an immovable time block for your bedtime so you can be working at your most efficient. So that's how you can kind of define what are immovable time blocks for you. For me, these are my unmovable time blocks, except for sleep. Sleep is relative to me ever since we had children, so I haven't had a full night's sleep since we've had kids, so that's it for that. But Jess, would you like to add something?
Yes, I would. Yes, I've heard from some very well-known entrepreneurs that they like to start off their day, or at least at some point in their day, set about a 2-hour time block to work on a forward-moving project or a future project that they are trying to put into place. And so that 2-hour time block of intense focus on something will allow them to move forward into these new goals that they're wanting to put into place. Because more often than not, you find yourself as an entrepreneur unfocused. You're looking to the emails, they come in, they just pop in throughout the day. Okay, let me stop what I'm doing and go answer this email. Or, I should go over and check on social media and start doing this. And this stuff can get so sprinkled throughout the day that you don't realize how much time it soaks up. It's like a sponge, you end up spending maybe 4 or 5 hours on emails and social media when perhaps you should have spent, an hour on emails, an hour on social media, and then several hours doing other forward-moving things instead. So, setting things where you can have, say I'm going to work on something for 30 minutes and make progress in that area and then move on to something else. It's a good way of doing it. So, for example, bookkeeping. I can do that with bookkeeping just by working on it for 30 minutes, and then I don't have to get it all completed right now, but I can do another 30-minute time block on another day.
Yeah, and then, so those are the movable time blocks. Those can be shifted out throughout the day, like emails and things of that nature. So hopefully that helps you with taking and arranging your day. Think of it in kind of blocks of time. Maybe that'll help try it out in your own shop, your own life, your own whatever you get yourself into. And that'll conclude this 3 Minutes at 3. So thank you all for being here.
And we'll catch you on the next one.